Hello guys, we're back with another video.
Hi guys.
Yes, your favorite YouTuber is back.
You're gonna watch my mom to make my hair.
Yes.
And next time tomorrow you watch us to make my other hair.
Yes, we know that, madam. Can you be quiet? So I'm going to crochet her hair. So let me just show you the braid pattern. So this is it. And turn to the other side, my love. To the back. Yeah, so I did 2 cornrows like this at the back, and then I did 8 at the front. So this is the hair we'll be using. So we got 3 packs of it.
Yeah, 3 packs mommy make.
Each packs each of the packs each of the packs has 20 hair in it, so I'm going to be using 3, and I hope it is enough. Though I calculated the braids, I just made a little sketch of how I'm going to.
And you got gold on it. Gold on it like a pack. You can put it right here. Yeah.
You'll soon get your shining. Let me talk. So guys, I'm going to fix the hair. Like I said before, I've already done like a sketchwork of it. That's how I was able to make this 8 braid, and how many I'm going to put on it. So it's 60 pieces of hair, so I've calculated how many is going to be on each of the lines. Okay, so let's start this video before our YouTuber starts again.
Yeah.
To oil a scalp with this Jamaica black castor oil with peppermint. So the plan is to put 4 hair at the ends. So I'm crocheting like I normally do.
Okay, well.
Ahead and make the other parts of it off camera, and we're back. Okay, bye.
We'll see you next time.
Finished results. So this is the finished look of our hair. It's so lovely. Killa, turn to the side, please. Rupert, turn to the side. Yes, it's so bouncy and lovely. Turn to the other side, my love. Yep, and it's so nice, and we like it so much. So At the end of the day, you can turn now. You can turn, my love.
Okay.
Turn, 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 turn.
Oh,
okay, look at us. So at the end of the day, the 6-pack was enough, and it was really, really beautiful.
And
yes.
it looked bouncy.
Yes, it looked bouncy, and we love it.
Like a trampoline.
Like a trampoline. Thank you so much. So thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. If you'd like to see more hair tutorial, please subscribe, like, and comment. So till next time.
And tattoo.
Bye.
Bye. Ciao.